And many people are able to rediscover their what you would call indigenous roots, because peyote also makes you keenly aware of nature. Like if you want to ingest peyote, the best place to do it is in nature. Um, Sometimes we do it like in the desert or in the mountains or close to the ocean. We've done ceremonies right on the beach. And peyote, like because of it increases your vision, it increases your hearing, it increases your sensitivity. You become very keenly aware of the natural forces. So this is how peyote was used in the past to harmonize human existence with the rest of nature. It gives you a lot of energy. So then they would start dancing and singing to nature. You know, they would sing to the fire, they would sing to the earth, they'd sing to the rain, they'd sing to, dance for the wind like this. Dance to the four winds. So this is one of the effects of peyote is that it really it puts you back in sync with your natural environment. And this is you're able to do this wherever. I mean, we had some in the Sahara Desert, in Egypt, uh, close to the Libyan border, and I saw how it affected the people there, and it is very the same. In Nepal, the same. In the Himalayas. So it's very useful for people that are trying to rediscover their natural or their indigenous ceremonies.